old school Rockford Fosgate here. I always talk about eBay purchases, eBay this, eBay that. This is another eBay purchase. Made an offer on these, and the seller accepted. And, well, that's not good. Okay, I'll get these out here. In my opinion, I went in a little low with my offer. Then he counter offered, and I went ahead and accepted it. So, I don't remember how much I ended up paying for these. I want to say it was like $40 for all four of them, something like that. So this one is a little boogered up, but what we have here is the, let me make sure it's zoomed in, HPP Gator Grip RCA plugs. These are going to be the solder in style. These, for those of you that don't know, let me bring these up. Grab a pencil here. Okay, so you can see that there's a seam right here. This part of the RCA unscrews, and then you run your wires in through the bottom here, and then you solder them together. Whenever you slide this sleeve over top, I don't know if you can see this, that little gap right here, it actually closes these down and grips onto the RCA. So that's why they get the name Gator Grip. These are model RP5005. Let me make sure it's still zoomed in here. These, I don't remember when these came out. I'm going to have to look these up. Because of the packaging, I'm going to say 2000s for this particular design here. Mid-2000s, give or take. These are all the same. They're all the RP5005. So this one you may be able to see a little bit better on the design here. Hard to see with the camera overhead. Has the RF logo, and then it has the Rockford Fosgate logo on it on the other side. I have yet to see a set of these that don't have some sort of scuff or some sort of marking on the actual RCAs themselves. So I don't know if that was just a design flaw, like the paint or whatever it is that rubs off. If it's even painted, these may not be painted. I'll try to look up some information on these and post it in the video. But just real quick, got all these. Don't know what I'm going to do with them yet. Probably just going to hold on to them. And yeah, I don't know. We'll find out.